The Sennheiser 421. Good mic. Actually could be a great mic. Originally created as a broadcast mic, but as always with every mic out there, just because the manufacturer has a single use for it, doesn't mean that's the only thing people are going to use for it. It's actually been pretty well known for racks and toms. But the one thing I wanted to talk about is the mic clip, or how utterly bad it is. I know what Sennheiser was going with, but as everybody who's used this mic knows, this mic clip, sometimes it stays well, and sometimes it doesn't. Very, very temperamental. What if this could be better? I do enjoy using these microphones. They're pretty resilient, rough. But what if we can get rid of this? Now, Sennheiser doesn't make one of these other than this style. And as everybody knows, there's the bread tie or zip tie trick, because what happens is this little, I don't know if you can see it, this doesn't always come down. The spring load tension doesn't let it sit correctly. And as everybody knows, you'll have this in a position like this. And if this is not completely latched in, the microphone just fall right out. What if there's a better option? And I looked and looked and looked, and I couldn't find one until I found a neighbor up north in dear old Canada. Somebody had made something for the 421s. And it's so simple, it's brilliant. And that is, it was very inexpensive. It cost me $35 shipped. This. So what we get here, pretty simple. You get your clip. Now these do look like they're 3D printed, but hats off to somebody seeing the issue and the problem that is these. So what you get is this piece that mounts on the outside, and the nice thing is it does have a bit of a guide, and my fumble fingers. The other thing I really like about this, nuts, washers, and screws. Now, no real instructions, but if you really look, it does make sense. So you slide that in like that. And that fits in there very snug. That is not walking around. That is a very snug fit. And that does match the contour fairly well. Now the fun part's going to be getting these screws in, so we're going to have to do it oh, these are going to be fun. Oh, okay, a little brute force is required. There we go. All right, so you gotta give it a little bit of pressure, but it actually becomes a bit more, if you look right here, it becomes a bit more flush on the, and that is solid. That is not coming off. That has got to be one of the most solid mic clips I have ever had for a 421, as opposed to the, this is better than the wrapping gaff tape around it with the, you know, zip tie and gaff tape trick with this, with the 421 standard clip. Nothing beats this. All right. let's try it out. I got my little desktop mic stand here. That is actually that's not going nowhere. That, my friends, is one stout. But the fact that he didn't smooth out this does make it actually gives it a little bit better bite. It is in that mic clip. Like, here, I'll do this. Like, that is solid. 25 bucks. I got it for 35 bucks shipped from Canada. The Wilkinson Audio mic clip for the 421. And being as these cost 40 bucks everywhere on the cheap, 35 bucks for a mic clip that is completely alleviates all headaches. I'm gonna tell you guys, check them out, wilkinsaudio.com. So I hope this helps. I'm definitely ordering a few more of these. I got 3 more 421s that I need mic clips for. I'm gonna order a bunch more of these. So yeah, wilkinsaudio.com. Definitely check these out.